pretty lecture, I am going to find the value of x. The given is 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power 1 minus x. So let's see the answer. So first here I am going to write the given. The given 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power 1 minus x, and we need to get here x value. So we can solve here this by two ways. So this place here, taking log with base 2, and there taking log with base 3. So writing here 2x power 1 3 1 minus x. Okay, so let's take the log 2 and here 2 x plus 1, and here log 2 3 1 minus x. So here this that move on the front, so we can write x plus 1, and here log 2 power 2 base 2 and the power 2. Thereafter 1 minus x that move on the front, 1 minus x, and here log 2 3. So here you already know about log a power a, that is equal to 1. So here x plus 1 into 1, so 1 minus x, and this here log 2 power 3. After that here you can write x plus 1 and this multiplying with this all. So here you can get log 2 power 3 minus, and here x log 2 power 3. Thereafter this x part that I am putting on the one place. So here this is x and this is positive log 2 power 3, and here this is now log 2 power 3, and this one moving on the right. So here you can get minus 1. After that here let's take x common, so here you can get 1 plus log 2 power 3, and here log 2 power 3 minus 1. After that here you can get log 2 power 3 and divided by 1 plus log 2 power 3. So this is our final answer of this question. So when here base is 2, so you can get log base 2 power 3 minus 1, thereafter 1 plus log 2 3. Now here this place going to take the base 3. Okay, so writing the given again 2x plus 1 and 3 1 minus x. So taking log with base 3. So here writing log 3 log base 3 2 x plus 1, there log 3 3 1 minus x. So you already know log a power b, so this is equal to, it's equal to b log a. Now here this x that move on the front, x plus 1, here you can get log base 3 2, and this move on the front here, 1 minus x log 3 3. So log a, that is equal to 1, so this has the value is now 1. So here we can write, so or first here you can multiply with this all, so x log base 3 power 2, and here log base 3 2, and 1 minus x into 1. So this value is now 1. After that, here write one more line, x log base 3 2 plus log base 3 2 1 minus x. So x part I am going to put on the one side, so this x move on the left, so here this become plus, and here x log base 3 2, and this move on the right, so equal to 1 minus log base 3 2. After that, here take the x common, so you can get 1 plus log 3 2, and here 1 minus log 3 2. Now you can write here 1 minus log 3 2 divided by 1 plus log 3 2. So when the base is 3, so you can get this answer. Okay, so you can select any one of this, and this is the way we can find the answer of this question. And you can put the value of log base 3 power 2, and you can get the some pointing value. After doing the calculation, you get some pointing value the answer. So this is the way we can do here, we can solve this question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see you next video. Thank you.